Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the basics so the action works cleanly. Make sure your device is unlocked and running a modern iOS release, then stand on the home screen. Once on the home screen, place one finger near the right edge and swipe left firmly. This moves you through pages without opening apps. If you prefer, use a quick, continuous swipe to jump straight to the app library. This is faster when you have many pages, and it avoids accidental taps. Once you see the app library, you can explore how it organizes apps into folders and suggestions. Tap a folder to show the suggested icons and a small list. If you know the name, use the search bar at the top to type and filter instantly, or swipe the right edge to reveal an alphabetical list for quick jumps. Make sure to press and hold an icon to access the full list or to drag an app back to a home screen where you want it. To finish, grab any app icon with a press and hold gesture, then drag it out of the app library to place it on a home screen. Release to drop it where you want. If you don't see the app library after swiping, make sure your iOS is updated, and if needed, reset the home screen layout. This restores missing pages. If an app is still hidden, check restrictions or screen time settings. Adjusting those often reveals apps that won't appear.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.